What if the secret to thicker, healthier-looking hair isn't actually a miracle balm at all? Before you spend your money on Zova Hair Growth Balm, it's worth taking a closer look at what it really offers and whether its promises match reality. Zova Hair Growth Balm is marketed as a natural hair care product designed to nourish the scalp, strengthen hair, reduce breakage, and support healthier hair growth over time. Its formula typically includes a blend of botanical oils and plant-based ingredients that are intended to moisturize the scalp and improve the overall condition of the hair. While these ingredients may help reduce dryness and make hair appear smoother and healthier, there is limited scientific evidence proving that a topical balm alone can regrow hair in cases of genetic hair loss or produce dramatic results in a short period. Looking at customer feedback, many users appreciate the balm's pleasant texture, moisturizing effect, and the fact that it leaves their hair feeling softer and easier to manage. Some people also report reduced hair breakage after consistent use, which can make hair appear fuller over time. However, reviews are mixed when it comes to actual hair regrowth. Several users mentioned that they noticed little to no visible difference even after weeks of regular application, while others felt the results took much longer than expected. A few customers also pointed out that the product works better as a conditioning treatment than as a true hair growth solution. Based on all the available information, Zova Hair Growth Balm doesn't appear to be an outright scam, but it also shouldn't be viewed as a guaranteed solution for hair loss. If your hair concerns are caused by genetics, hormonal changes, or medical conditions, this balm alone is unlikely to solve the problem. It may be a useful addition to a healthy hair care routine for improving scalp hydration and reducing breakage, but keeping realistic expectations is essential. As always, checking verified customer reviews, reviewing the ingredient list carefully, and consulting a healthcare professional for persistent hair loss can help you make a more informed buying decision.